Well, hey everyone, and welcome back to Cowboy Survival. You know, it's getting to be summertime. We like to go out on day hikes. We like to go into the woods. We like to camp. We like to have picnics. But when we go into the woods in the summertime, there are some dangers we're going to encounter. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at 4 things you need to make sure and take with you on your day hikes to make sure that those day hikes are free of the discomfort and the nagging kinds of injuries that you tend to get sometimes in the woods. And I think you're going to like what you see. So let's just get into it. So the first thing we want to talk about is this what's called Natrapel. I bought this off the internet. These are tick and insect repellent wipes. So I like to buy all of this kind of stuff in individual packages so that you can take it with you. These are all white in the form of wipes, but I like these things. They have 20% picaridin in them. I think I pronounced that correctly. These will help repel insects when you're out in the woods, particularly ticks and mosquitoes. You take these with you. I like these because they do not have DEET in them. DEET can be very toxic. It can be a chemical that you don't want to risk ingesting in any way. You know, you get some on your hands, maybe you get your hands on your food and you eat that and ingest it. DEET can make you really ill. So the nice thing about this, it's a natural kind of bug repellent, and you can get these things off the internet. And I'll put the links to all these things in the description to the video. So this is something that I think you want to include in your pack for every time you go out. The next thing I'm going to have is sting wipes. We know that summer is the time for bees, right? So we have these nice little sting wipes here you can get. This is called Sting Relief. There's different ones of them on the market. I like the Sting Relief ones. They seem to work pretty well. You know, you get stung by a bee, a yellow jacket, a wasp, or a hornet, it can hurt pretty bad. These things will help take some of that pain away and neutralize that poison that gets in you when you get stung. So you need to have some of these in your day hike bags, enough for you and maybe some other people in case you get stung multiple times. But these are really helpful, and I think you want to have them with you. The active ingredient in this is ethyl alcohol and lidocaine. So those are really good to have with you on the trail. So I would put those in. By the way, this might be a good time for you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Hit the subscribe button and also hit that like button below. YouTube loves it when you like a channel. So if you take time to do that, that'd be great. These things are really great. Poison ivy and poison oak are something that you tend to run into in the woods in the summertime. And what's nice, these Ivy X wipes are really good in case you get into some poison ivy and get that oil from that poison ivy plant on your skin. That's going to embed your skin. It's going to create welts. It's going to create blisters. It's going to create a lot of itching and oozing. Not very attractive, and certainly can ruin your day really quickly. So you can get these IVX. These are for after you've come in contact with the plant. They actually have another product that you can get that you can wipe on. If you know you're going to be in the woods where there might be poison ivy, you can pre-apply the wipes, and that helps keep you from getting infected even to start with. So these IVX wipes, like I say, you can buy a box that has some of the pre-wipes and some of the post-wipes in it, but I like these a lot. I think that they're going to really help when you're out in the summer in the weather. Now, the other thing, the final thing I'm going to recommend that you put in your bag is some sunscreen. These Sun X50 wipes are really nice because you don't have to have a can, you don't have to wipe them on. You just take the wipes, you just wipe them on your skin. You can use these on your neck, on the tops of your ears. You can use them on your exposed arms, exposed legs to keep you from getting sunburned. Sunburn can keep you from sleeping very well if you're camping. You don't want to be tired when you're out in the woods. You get your shoulder sunburn, you might not be able to carry your packs. Get your neck sunburn, that's going to be a real irritant, and your ears are very sensitive, so is your nose. So these are really great. This is a SPF 50 on these. You can get them different strengths. I like the SPF 50. I don't want to risk getting burned at all. So the 4 things that we've got that I'm recommending that you all carry is the Natrapel 20% picaridin wipes, the Sting Relief for stings, the IVX wipes for poison ivy, and the Sun X50 wipes for your sunscreen. That should make your trips a whole lot easier, a whole lot more enjoyable without having to worry about all the negative side effects. Well, I hope that's helpful to you. You know, when I go out in the summer, I just want to stay comfortable, and I want to have all the stuff with me that I'm going to need when I run into these unexpected sort of difficulties. So I think these 4 items that we talked about today are going to be really helpful. So in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to hit the like button down below. Remember what we always say here, stay strong, stay prepared, have a blessed day, and we'll see you real soon right here on Cowboy Survival.